We've certainly felt our share of earthquakes here in the Midwest over the past few years. Frequent viewers will remember that we had one during daybreak not long ago. Today, hundreds of thousands of people in Indiana and several other states will be doing the exact same thing at the exact same time, trying to make sure they know what to do when a big one hits. Kind enough to make the drive-in early this morning from West Lafayette, Purdue engineering professor Ayhan Irfanoglu joins us. Thanks so much. Lots to talk about this, but primarily, you're excited about this shakeout. Tell us why.
Definitely. It's a great occasion to plan and prepare yourself for an earthquake in case of an earthquake. Check your preparations. Maybe do something at home.
And it's a grim scenario that they're putting together, but maybe that's the important part of this. A direct earthquake damage in the fault line that runs near us, 2,500 people hurt, more than 100 people killed in this. So this is not a, oh, well, you know, maybe something will topple from the shelves. You're talking about when real damage can be done. And you know this firsthand. You just came back from Turkey, which saw a devastating earthquake.
That's correct.
Tell us a little bit about what you saw there and the work you do that is related to that.
Yes. Well, the mission to Turkey was part of the organization I belong to, the NEES, the Network for Earthquake Engineering Simulation. And we wanted to find out what happened in Turkey and see if we can learn lessons.
For instance, they build buildings a little differently than we build them here.
That's correct.
Tell us about the difference there.
Most of the buildings in Turkey are made out of reinforced concrete and multi-story, 4 to 10 stories actually. In the case
wood
of
frame like we'd have here.
Yes, not wood frame.
And wood tends to behave better in an earthquake.
Well, wood tends to behave better because we don't build tall wood structures, and we also seem to be building them better. And the wood, by nature, the way we build them, is quite resilient. It's forgiving.
You guys at NEES have the ability to simulate earthquakes. The video that we're seeing now, for instance, a masonry structure going through what we can only imagine when we do things like the drill. How critical is this work?
Oh, it's very, very critical. It's as close to reality as we can get. We build large-scale, full-scale structures. And the NEES is a consortium of 14 earthquake engineering research centers, from tsunami to shake tables to earth structures and field stations. So we build structures. Well, we first design them. There's a theory behind all these things, but then you have to build as large scale, as full scale as possible to simulate what might happen in the case of a real earthquake. And of course, when a real earthquake happens, we also send out missions to collect data.
So that's the work underway to try to make buildings better when earthquakes hit. Today is the day, and if you want to learn more from the NEES Academy, that's available at NEES, NEES.org. Also, if you want to be part of the shakeout, today you can still sign up for it. The professor was very excited when we looked this morning to see that more than 500,000 people in Indiana alone are part of this.
More than last year.
And more the better. All right, thanks so much, Professor. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.